I just don't see that in person, but it's blinking.
You got it zoomed in?
Yeah. Like for... It's like... It is literally above the water. Wait, Dad, come... This is actually really cool. Wait, look at this. It's blinking and it's flying above the water.
It is kind of zipping around.
Dad, this is actually really... This might be a little UFO thing. What is this?
Are you recording?
Yeah, come, wait, look at this. Do you see it? It's you can see it's above the water and it's blinking. Do you see that? Look at that. It's like turning on and off. Yeah.
Glad you got that on camera.
It's literally flashing like a light bulb.
It looks like a kite. Kind of zipping around like that. Maybe it's a kite surfing on trees.
It wouldn't reflect like that though.